are using the mobile app on the phone and also on the tablet. So we are working with iPhones and iPads worldwide. So each of our salesmen is using it. So we have around 300 salesmen worldwide running around, or people who are related to sales, let's say it like this, and they are using it a couple of times daily. They are running outside with their tablet or with their phone. We have also an extra Haimer app additionally, where we have, for example, all the videos inside, product information. Of course, you can also have it from our website or from our online shop, but there we have additional information, and then they can directly report at the customer according to their wishes. And of course, what is quite easy to use is actually when you're back in the car and traveling to the next customers, or you're making some stop for the lunch break, for example, as a salesman, you can just talk into it. So we have a visit report, as said. There you have some parts where you just need to click, fill it in, and then you have text field where you can just talk into it, and then it's written down. So to make it as easy and simple for the salesman outside, that he can use his time at the customer and not making any kind of reports that we want to reduce this extra time on the side, the home office time, for example, that the people are really active outside and supporting our customers in the end.